What's up, y'all? My name is Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to create this icy blue cut crease featuring no products from HUDA. I'm sorry, but I'm not supporting brands that take from other smaller brands and pretend the brands don't exist. But anyways, if you like what you see, please be sure to continue watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, so let's jump in. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C12.5.
Making my way through the hood, sipping this yak. Niggas probably think along with the Mac. Ride around the block with a Glock. Your ass better get shot.
For my transition color, I'm going to go into the Morphe 39A palette, and I'm going to be using the color Vivid. Yeah, it's like a very warm brown. And then using that same brush, I'm going to go into the color, nope, not that palette. We're going to go into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. Come on, focus this. And I'm going to go into this color right here. Okay, no, you cannot. Look at me just trying to angle it. This color right here. Going into the color Indigo in the Morphe 39A palette, I'm just going to use this fluffy brush and then create windshield wiper motions, but leaving the middle of my lid blank. Taking this clean angled fluffy brush, I'm just going to not put any product on it and then just diffuse the edges because I don't want it to be such a concentrated look. I just want it to be like fading gradually. Taking this blending eye brush from e.l.f., I'm going to go into the color Muse and dipping a little bit back into Indigo just to mix it up. I'm just going to place it right around where I'm going to create the halo eye. Taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C12.5, I'm going to be using this Real Techniques Detailer brush. I'm just going to create a halo. And then taking this flat shader brush, I'm going to go into the color, I'm going to go into the color called Color. We might just have to do a cut crease. Okay, let's do a cut crease instead. I'm going to be doing a cut crease. I'm going into Indigo. I'm just stamping the color and dragging it to create a transition so we don't have any harsh lines aside from the cut crease. So for the inner part of my eye, I'm going to go into the Sephora Color for eyeshadows in the shade Jazz Club. It's just a regular silver, if you can see that. I'm going to clean up all the fallout under my eyes and then we're going to move on to foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Cocoa. Just going to shake it up a bit. And I'm going to use 2 pumps. Let's do 2.5. Yeah, I'm using 2.5 pumps. Just a quick pause. If you're enjoying the video so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell for notifications of future uploads. And for concealer, I'm going to be using the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Amande. blend everything out, I'm going to use my Real Techniques Miracle Body Sponge. So instead of my usual IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Press Powder, I'm just going to set my face. And I'm not going to bake too much. And I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier loose setting powder in the shades Translucent and Medium Deep. And to apply the powder under my eyes, I'm going to be using my Real Techniques buffing brush. And to contour, I'm going to be using my usual Fenty Matchsticks in the shade Espresso. And to apply that, I will be using, not this brush, I don't know what that is. This brush, I'm not sure what kind of brush it is, but it's from my Amazon brush kit. I'm just going to like sweep the product onto my brush as I do per usual. And to really sharpen the contour, I'm just going to be taking my Miracle blending sponge, going into the loose setting powder mixture lightly. Grab some powder, dab off the excess, and pinch it. Up until the side of my nose. To sweep away the powder on my face, to sweep away the excess powder, I'm going to be using my powder brush from e.l.f. and going into the Sephora Micro Smooth powder in the shade Deep. To finish my under eye, I'm going to be tight lining with the NYX retractable eyeliner in the shade Black. Alright, okay, so we're going to do some lashes. I need space for that. Actually, we're going to do liner. To line my eyes, just to create a small itty bitty wing, I am going to be using the BH Cosmetics Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black. Going into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm going to go into this color right here with this pencil brush. I'm just going to put it on my lower lash line. Okay, taking the number 7 brush from the It's My Riri by BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to go into the color Indigo from the Morphe 39A palette. I'm just going to lightly smoke out the outer edges. So for lashes, I'm going to be going into my AliExpress lashes, but they're a different style. They're in the style A10, and I don't want to hold them up and let them fall. Let me hide my face so it can, okay, never mind, it fell, but there's one of them. And it's like not too dramatic as like this ones I used before. So yeah. So for highlight, I'm going to be using Moonlight from the It's My Riri by BH Cosmetics collection. To set my face, I'm just going to be using MAC Fix Plus. Look at me, I'm not even spraying in my direction. And to press that in, I'm just going to be using my Miracle Body Sponge by Real Techniques. To line my lips, I'm going to be using Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner and Molasses. My usual. And then to lightly fill my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Honeymoon. And then to gloss up the middle, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Diamond Milk. Okay, so this is the final look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.